paper we have question number 20, which is a tough question because it is a question that is out of NCERT, because they has asked about the temperate forest and tropical forest. They have asked about the NPP of tropical and temperate forest. Okay, and the 29 is a hard question. 31, because these all are hard question, means this all are from this paper is very a challenging paper, because it is a paper that is from absolutely from NCERT, because the lines are comes as it is, means they have just copy paste and very statement वाला क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा ही आ गया इसमें, स्टेटमेंट वाला क्वेश्चन कुछ ज़्यादा ही आ गया, स्टेटमेंट वाले क्वेश्चन कुछ ज़्यादा ही आ गए. ओके, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ good paper, or that is a practical paper that we accept from NTA. And this is also 34 is a tough question, 36 also tough question, and 42 really a tough question, because it is a tough question from digestion. But in this question we have all the options that are very similar, so it is a very tough question and a very interesting question to solve. And question 51 is a tough question, and it is also previous year question. And 56 and 59, and we have 15 question which are tough, and 61 question we have the conversion between NO3 to NO2 occur in cytoplasm. Okay, that is a question then in which we have to talk about the conversion of NO3 to NO2 in cytoplasm. The conversion of NO3 to NO2 take place in cytoplasm. And question 63 is also a tough question, 67 is also a tough question, 68 is a previous year question and a tough question, and 79 79 is a tough question, 79 is a tough question, and 88 is a previous year question, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase they have talked about. So this paper we have a 330 will be a good score, 330 plus, because we have very much lines from NCERT, so it is a very good paper to solve V4. A typical anther is bilobed. Okay, a typical anther is bilobed. See, typical anther is bilobed means it has two lobes and each lobe contains two microsporangia, so it is tetrasporangiate. One pollen sac means one microsporangia, and it has four microsporangia, so it is known as tetrasporangiate, and it is bilobed and tetrasporangiate. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a part of female external genitalia? Okay, it contain female external genitalia contain mons pubis, okay, labia majora, labia minora, hymen, and clitoris. It does not include cervix. Cervix does not comes under external genitalia. See, the most important about these things is that mons pubis. Mons pubis is a cushion of fatty tissue. It is a cushion of fatty tissue. The question may ask in match the column. Okay, mons pubis comes in cushion of fatty tissue, and labia majora. Majora is fleshy, and minora is paired, It is important. Minora is paired and majora is fleshy. Okay, minora is paired and majora is fleshy. That is important. According to 2011 census, the population growth rate in India was, okay, less than 2%. It is less than 2%. Okay, it is less than 2%. Next, which of the following contraceptive device is having a common mechanism of action? Okay, Waltz condoms, copper T, multi-load 375, progestastate and cervical cap, Malady and lips loop. Okay, we have progestastate. Okay, see, common mechanism of action. Okay, the common mechanism of action is same for the mechanism of action same for copper T and multi-load 375, because they both are copper releasing iodides. See, we have copper releasing iodides that are for example, copper releasing iodides. Okay, copper releasing iodides, we have copper T and copper 7 and multi-load 375, which are copper releasing iodides, and that suppress the sperm motility, and also they increase, okay, iodides increase the phagocytosis of sperm. So they have the common action of common mechanism of action. Okay, they have a common mechanism of action. And the next is, okay, we have to find out the incorrect match. Saheli, it is an oral contraceptive for females, okay, containing a non-steroidal preparation. It is a once a month pill. No, it is incorrect. It is not a once a month pill, it is once a week pill. Okay, it is not a once a month pill, so it is incorrect and is a required answer. Let's move with next part. Morgan carried out several dihybrid cross in, okay, Morgan carried out several dihybrid cross in Drosophila melanogaster, that is common fruit fly, and which is a life cycle of 2 weeks. That is important, okay. Which of the following pair is an example of, okay, which of the following pair is an example of autosomal recessive disorder? Autosomal recessive, see, first is phenylketonuria, which is an example of autosomal recessive disorder. It is an example of autosomal recessive disorder. And the second is thalassemia, that is an example of autosomal recessive disorder. So we have phenylketonuria and thalassemia, which are autosomal recessive disorder. नेक्स्ट इज ओके, मैच द कॉलम 5x174 डीएनएसी, ओके, जहां 4 है वहां 4 नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 7 के पास 4 है, 4 यहाँ पे 4 नहीं होगा, वी है ना, वी गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस, ओके, दैट 5x174 में कौन सा है और लैम्डा बैक्टीरियोफेज में कौन सा है। हमको तो ये पता कि ये बैक्टीरिया, ये तो इकोलाई और ह्यूमन का है, लेकिन ये दोनों में से कौन सा ये पता नहीं होता। तो हमारे पास जहाँ पे 4 है वहाँ पे 4 नहीं है, जहाँ पे 4 है वहाँ पे 4 नहीं है। सो इज मैच्ड विथ 4, इज मैच्ड विथ 4 एंड बी इज मैच्ड विथ 3, एंड दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। lambda bacteriophage are 48502, that is 48502 फोन नंबर चालू होता है 48 से खत्म होता है 502 में, ओके, फोन नंबर चालू होता है 48 से खत्म होता है 502 में। सो lambda bacteriophage has 48502 base pair, it is important, it is a base pair, and 5x74, okay, 5x174 has nucleotide, okay, they have 5386 nucleotide, that is important, and it has base pair of 48502, okay, जहाँ 4 है वहाँ 4 नहीं है। एंड इंडिया एंड Escherichia coli, okay, Escherichia coli DNA contain, okay, the Escherichia coli DNA contain 4.6 into the power 6 base pair, that is 10 to the power 6 in Escherichia coli, and in human we have 10 to the power 9, in haploid content is 3.3 10 to the power 9. So C is matched with 2, C is matched with 2, we have only one option with C2, and A is matched with 4. So this is the required answer, and D is matched with 1. Is haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 10 to the power 9 base pair, and in lambda bacteriophage which contain nucleotides and not in with base pair, because base pair is present in double stranded DNA, and 5x174 has single stranded DNA, so it contain nucleotide and not base pair. So 5x174 has 5386 nucleotides. Okay, some of the land reptile went back into the water to evolve into fish-like reptile. Okay, that is known as ichthyosaurs, probably 200 million years ago. Fish-like reptile probably evolved 200 million years ago. They are known as ichthyosaurs and not ichthyofish. Okay, read carefully. Okay, ichthyosaurs. Okay, the nobility and brilliant insight. Okay, the nobility and brilliant insight, that is the direct line of NCERT, nobility and brilliant. Okay, nobility and brilliant insight Darwin was that he asserted that variation which are dash. Okay, variation which are heritable and which make resource utilization better for few will enable only those to reproduce and leave more progeny. So Y is heritable, and X is more progeny. So we have this as a correct answer. Hence over a period of time there would be change in the population, and characteristic, and hence new form appear, so this is the required answer. Next question, which set of pathogen cause similar disease? C, pneumonia is caused by streptococcus pneumoniae, and Haemophilus influenza do not cause influenza, it cause pneumonia. That is the point of question. Okay, so it is correct. And next, William Harvey disproved the good humor hypothesis of health. Yes. William Harvey is known as the father of angiology. Okay, that is blood circulation. Disproved the good humor hypothesis. So it is correct. It is correct. Health can be defined as a state of, it is according to WHO. That is World Health Organization. Health is a condition of. Health is not just an absence of disease, but health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Okay, the most important is mental. So it is correct. among non-infectious disease, cancer is the major cause of death. Yes, among non-infectious disease, cancer is the major cause of death, so it is also correct. Many genera like Microspora, Trichophyton, Epidendrophyton are responsible for ringworm, which is one of the most common infectious enteric disease. No, it is not enteric. See, enteric means anything which is related with gut, and ringworm is not an enteric disease, means it is not a disease of gut, so it is incorrect. Amoebiasis and Escherichiasis, these are the enteric diseases because they are related with the gut. So we have to find out the incorrect statement, and we have only one which is incorrect, and that is 4. So next, which of the following are the variety of rice? RJ sir means RJ sir, and Jaya and Ratna are the varieties of wheat, sorry, rice. And Kaas कुछ ऐसा होता, बहुत पैसा होता. Kaas means Kalyan, Sona, Atlas, Sonalika and Himgiri. These are the varieties of wheat. So we have to answer the varieties of rice, and they are Jaya and Ratna. Next is milk yield is primarily dependent on the quality of breed. Depends primarily on the quality of breed. So quality, not quantity. That is a point of question. Okay, next, match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. Trichoderma. Say trichoderma is a biological control. Trichoderma is used in biological control. So A is matched with 2, and we have 2, A and B, which is A with matched with 2. So we have eliminated C and D. Streptomyces, we obtain antibiotic from streptomyces. Okay, we obtain antibiotic from streptomyces. So B is matched with 4. So this is a required answer. And nitrosomas, they are chemoallotrope. And they help in nitrification. Nitrification means the formation of ammonia into nitrate. Okay, so it is correct. And next, isolated protoplasm from 2 different variety of plant, each having a desirable character, can be fused to form hybrid protoplasm. This hybrid are called as somatic hybrid. Okay, next is Eli Lilly, an American company, prepared 2 DNA sequences corresponding to A and B chain of human insulin and introduced them in plasmid of E. coli, that is Escherichia coli, to produce insulin chain. Okay, chain A and B were produced separately, extracted and combined, creating disulfide bond. See, we have 2 disulfide bond between A peptide and B peptide. It is important. That comes in 108 paper 108. Okay, so they are important. They are linked by disulfide bond with 2 disulfide bond. Population density of an terrestrial organism is measured in terms of per meter square. So it is the correct answer. Earthworm is an ecosystem, is an example of earthworm in ecosystem, is an example of detritivore which cause fragmentation. ये टोटी कर देगा, small fragments में कन्वर्ट कर देगा किसको, detritus को. So it is an example of detritivore. Okay, arrange the following ecosystem in descending order of their mean net primary productivity. See, we have to first see which is what. See, this is tropical. See, it is tropical deciduous. This is मतलब होता है पतझड़ का मौसम देखने को मिलेगा. Tropical deciduous. This is tropical deciduous forest, means there is a falling of leaf. Occurs. So we have the maximum potency. It is coniferous forest. It is temperate coniferous forest, and the previous one is this is temperate. It is temperate deciduous forest. So we have maximum productivity that we see in tropical forest, not in temperate. So we have and in tropical forest we have more productivity in tropical rainforest. So 3 is maximum productivity, and then first, and then we have to get selected between temperate coniferous and temperate deciduous. We select between temperate coniferous and temperate deciduous. See, in temperate deciduous, the productivity is more. The productivity is more in temperate deciduous. Than in temperate conifers. So 3, 1, and then 2, and then 1. So 3, 1, 2 and 4, and then 2 and 4. 3, 1, 2 and 4. 3, 1, 2 and 4, and then 5. Okay. David Tillman, okay, David Tillman, a long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plots confirmed that increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. Yes. Increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. Increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. Increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. So it is correct, and we have to find out the correct statement. Plot with more species, so less year-to-year variation in the total biomass. Yes, plot with more species, so less year-to-year variation in the total biomass. So it is also correct, and we have both 1 and 2, which is correct in the required answer. Next, the total area covered by all the biodiversity hotspot is less than 2%. It is less than 2%. Is less than 2%. Okay. And the next, in aquatic ecosystem, the maximum toxicity due to biomagnification is seen in C. The toxicity at water is 0.03. We have to 0 कम करते जाओ, 0 कम करते जाओ, number बढ़ाते जाओ. C. First in water we have 0.003 ppb, that is not ppm, and then 0 कम करते जाओ, 0 कम करते 0.04 और number बढ़ाते जाओ 0.4 ppm, and then 0.5 ppm, and then 2 ppm, and then 25, 2 ppm, and then 25. We have to remember the data also. Okay, and the maximum concentration of DDT is seen in the fish-eating birds. Okay, the word systematics is derived from the Latin word systema, which means the systematic arrangement of organism. Systema means systematic arrangement of organism. Okay, and it means systematic arrangement of organism. So we have B, which is the correct answer. An isogamous condition is seen in C. Chlamydomonas, so both isogamous as well as anisogamous type of reproduction. In some species of Chlamydomonas, we see anisogamous type of reproduction. In New NCERT, they have added and more example, that is Eudorina. Eudorina is a type of algae where anisogamous type of fertilization is seen. Which of the following has the largest gametophyte? See, Funaria. Funaria has the largest gametophyte. This Funaria has the largest gametophyte because it belongs to bryophyte. And as we move from bryophyte to digitidophyte to gymnosperm, the size of gametophyte goes on reducing. So we have gametophyte which is large in Funaria. The vessel one is gametophyte. The labeling is very also important. Most of the asymmetrical acoelomate belong to C. Asymmetrical acoelomate belong to porifera. Okay, so it is correct. And the next is select the incorrect match. C. Okay, Liliaceae, Trimeras, no, Liliaceae, yes, sorry, it is correct. Okay, we have to find out the incorrect statement. It is correct. Tetrameras, Solanaceae, no, Solanaceae have pentameras. Okay, they have 5 petals. See, 5 देखते ही हमने बोला कौन हो जाएगा, ये सोलेनेसी हो जाएगा. सोलेनेसी, so they have 5 petals. So it is incorrect and the required answer. Next is okay, next is how many of the following statement are correct? Conjoint vascular bundle are not present in monocot stem. No, the conjoint vascular bundle is present in both monocot as well as the dicot stem. See, in monocot stem we have conjoint vascular bundle. Conjoint का मतलब होता है joint है. Joint दोनों आपस में कौन joint है? Phloem है और xylem आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं. So they are in monocot stem we see conjoint vascular bundle, but there is absence of camera. It is different thing. Okay, so it is correct. Casprin strip of endodermis are made of cutin. No, they are made of suberin and not cutin. The Casprin strip is made of suberin, that is impervious to water, so it is not made of cutin, so it is incorrect. Pith is large and well developed in monocot root. Yes, pith is large and well developed in monocot root. Okay, pith is large and well developed in monocot root, so it is also correct. Trichomes help in water loss due to transpiration. No, they prevent water loss. They prevent water loss, so it is incorrect. They prevent water loss, so it is incorrect. And we have to find the correct statement, and we have 1 and 3 which is correct. So we have 2 options which are correct. Next is which of the following does not participate in excretion of cockroach. See, we have fat bodies. Okay, fat bodies. We have nephrocyte and we have uricose gland. We have fat bodies, we have nephrocyte, and we have uricose gland which help in excretion. So that's How many of the given statement are true? How many of the given statement are true? The dry surface of the skin. See, the dry surface of the skin. Okay, the moist surface of the buccal cavity. Okay, no, are lined by compound epithelium. Are lined by compound epithelium. So first is correct. First is correct. Cuboidal epithelium facilitate diffusion across the epithelium. No, cuboidal epithelium does not facilitate diffusion. Okay, simple squamous epithelium facilitate diffusion. Simple squamous epithelium facilitate diffusion. So it is incorrect. And next is intercalated disc. See, intercalated disc are found in the cardiac muscle, and which are the cell junction between cardiac muscle. Yes, it is correct. Skeletal muscle fiber can be located in bicep muscle. Yes, these are present in voluntary muscle and these are present in bicep muscle. So it is correct. In a bone, osteocytes are located in lacunae. Yes, osteocyte or bone cell are present in the space called as lacunae. These are present in the space called as lacunae. See, these are space, these are lacunae. And we have, it is correct, and we have to find out the true and true. We have A, C, D, E are true, means 4 statements out of 5 are true. Okay, 4 statements out of 5 are true. True. Cuboidal epithelium facilitate diffusion across and intercalated disc. Okay. Next, a complete set of chromosome or cell gene inherited as a unit from patient. Sorry, if not from patient, it is from parent, is known as genome. That is, the haploid set of chromosome is known as genome. Haploid set of chromosome is known as genome. Which of the following is not the part of nucleoid? See, nucleotide. See, nucleotide consists of phosphate, nitrogenous base, not fatty acid, pentose sugar. Fatty acid is absent in nucleotide. So it is next. How many of the given statement are incorrect? See, okay, nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappear in prophase. Yes, they are disappear in late prophase. Okay, at the end of the prophase. Okay, when we view the microscope, do not show Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus and ER. That is, they does not show ER, Golgi body, nucleolus and nuclear membrane. So first is correct. That occur in the late prophase. Okay, and the next is synaptomal complex formation occur during zygote. Yes, synaptotene, zygote, the same thing. So their synaptomal complex formation occurs. So it is correct. The enzyme responsible for crossing over in pectidin is recombinase. Yes, the enzyme that is responsible for crossing over is recombinase. So it is also correct. Chiasmata formation occur in diakinesis. No, chiasmata formation occur in diplotin. So it is incorrect, and we have to find out the incorrect statement, and we have only one statement which is incorrect. And the next is the phenomena of uptake of water at the expense of energy. See, we have to talk about the expense of energy by the cell, usually against, it is important, against the osmotic gradient. So it is active absorption. Because it is occurring against the concentration gradient. Conversion of NO2 minus to NH4 is called as, NO2 minus to NH4 conversion is called as nitrate and as assimilation, and here nitrate and nitrite reductase are involved. Okay, and next, stromal lamellae membrane has only photosystem 2. It lacks photosystem 2 and it lacks NADP reductase enzyme. The stromal lamellae lack photosystem 2. The stromal lamellae lack photosystem 2 and NADP reductase enzyme. How many additional ATP is used during the synthesis of 2 molecules of hexose in maize? See, maize is a C4 plant, and maize take 30 ATP and 12 NADPH for one glucose synthesis, and it take 12 ATP more than a normal C3 cycle. So question is asking the two molecule of hexose in maize than the tomato. See, tomato is a C3 plant. So okay, if for one molecule we have 12 ATP more, for two molecule we have 24 ATP more than tomato and C3 plant. Okay, next is in product of glycolysis. See, the in product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid, that is pyruvic acid. The in product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid, 2 molecules of ATP, that are the net gain of 2 ATP, and 2 molecules of NADPH and 2 molecules of NADPH. Okay. Next, we have 2 ATP, 2 NADPH and 2 pyruvic acid. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Correctly matched. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Abscisic acid is tomato closer. It is absolutely correct. Gibberellic acid leaf fall. No, it is incorrect because gibberellin delays senescence. Gibberellin delays senescence. Gibberellin help in delaying senescence to prevent the fall of leaf and fruit. So it is incorrect statement. Cytokine is cell division. Yes. IA, that is cell wall elongation. Yes. Which one of the following is a set of natural growth regulators? C. 2,4-D is artificial. 2,4-D is artificial. So IA, that is indole acetic acid. IB, that is indole butyric acid, and GRT. These are all natural. And C, ethylene acetic acid is artificial. So it is incorrect, and we have only fourth, which is correct. Which of the following statement? See, from here we can see that we have only two, that is IAA and IBA are the natural oxygen, and 2,4-D and ethylene acetic acid are the artificial oxygen. And next is, which of the following, it is important question, it is a very nice question. Which of the following correctly explain the absorption of amino acid? C. amino acid are very amino acid हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है, हम इसको खर्चा करके भी अंदर बॉडी में लेंगे, इसको जाने नहीं देंगे यूरिन से. ओके, सो इट इज टेकन बाय एक्टिव एब्जॉर्प्शन मोस्टली, बट स्मॉल अमाउंट इज टेकन बाय डिफ्यूजन ऑल्सो, एंड वेरी सम मीन्स negligible is taken by facilitated diffusion. Negligible is taken by facilitated diffusion, that is some is taken by facilitated diffusion. So it is the correct option. Some facilitated. Okay, inspiration can occur if the intrapulmonary pressure is dash than the atmospheric pressure. Okay, inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increase the volume of thoracic cavity in C. Inspiration occur when the intrapulmonary pressure is less than atmospheric pressure, and according to law, we have always gas move from high pressure to low pressure, so it will move in. So if the atmospheric, so inside pressure is low, then air goes into the lungs. Okay, and the volume of thoracic cavity increase in the anterior posterior axis due to the contraction of diaphragm. Okay, most suitable reason why SA node act as a pacemaker of heart. Most suitable reason why SA node act as a pacemaker of heart is due to it can generate a maximum number of action potential. It is due to it has the activity to generate a maximum number of action potential, that is 70 to 75 bits per minute. Next, read the following function, identify the part of nephron responsible for it. Okay, nearly all the essential nutrient at 70 to 80% of electrolyte and water are reabsorbed by the segment. This is the PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule, where 70 to 80% of electrolyte reabsorbed. So first is PCT, first is PCT. So we have A and B, the correct answer, and C and D is eliminated. Conditional reabsorption of Na plus and water take place in this segment. So this segment is nothing but this is DCT, where conditional reabsorption occur. Okay, conditional reabsorption means in the presence of ADH, so B is matched with DCT, and C is a large volume of, so the large amount of water could be released from this region to produce concentrated urine. Yes, large amount of water is reabsorbed from this segment to produce concentrated urine, and this segment is nothing but collecting duct. So C is collecting duct and not Henle loop. Next is, select the correct match from the following option. Nasal granule found only. It is not found in axon, it is only found in the cyton and the dendrite, so it is incorrect, and we have to find out the correct statement. Non-myelinated neuron or peripheral nervous system. Swan cell present but not secret myelin sheath is absolutely correct. Yes, in non-myelinated neuron, okay, that is enclosed by swan cell. Swan cell हमेशा present होगा, चाहे वो medullated हो कि non-medullated हो, ठीक है. Okay, swan cell is always present and it does not secret myelin sheath. That's why node of where is absent. What is node of where? It is nothing but distance between two myelin sheath. Unipolar neuron possesses only one at no, it only possesses one axon and not another, so it is incorrect. Sodium potassium pump transport 2 potassium into the intracellular space. No, it transport 2 potassium and out of the intracellular space, so it is incorrect. And we have only B, which is correct. We have only B, which is correct. Okay, the source of gonadotropin releasing hormone is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is source of releasing hormone, and it is the basal part of diencephalon. It is the basal part of diencephalon. Next is how many hormone are released from various endocrine gland of the body. Okay, match the endocrine gland with the product hormone. Hypothalamus. See, hypothalamus have this hypothalamic neuri. That's why hypothalamus formation of hypothalamus means formation of ADH or oxytocin occur in hypothalamus, but they're secreted from the posterior pituitary. That is the next different thing. Okay, and hypothalamus release also a message that is melatonin stimulating hormone. So X is matched with 4, 5 and 6. Sorry, not with MSH. MSH released by pituitary, and we have to match with hypothalamus. See, hypothalamus releases somatostatin, that is the growth inhibitory factor. Somatostatin is known as the growth inhibitory factor. So X is matched with 2, and X is matched with 5, and X is matched with 6. Okay, root hair are found in which region of root? See, root hair are found in the maturation region. Root hair are found in the zone of region of maturation. Root hair are found in the zone of region of maturation. Region of maturation. Identify the autoimmune disease among the following. See, myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disease. In our syllabus, NCERT has talked about two autoimmune diseases. First is rheumatoid arthritis, and second is myasthenia gravis, where antibody are formed against the neuromuscular junction. Okay, acetylcholine receptor. Next, a forebrain in human consists of cerebrum, diencephalon and mesencephalon, and this mesencephalon, this olfactory lobe, is known as not mesencephalon, diencephalon, and this diencephalon means nothing but olfactory, that is related with olfaction. This is known as राहन. राहन मतलब नाक, नाक से related है, olfactory है, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? राहनcephalon. It is a part of forebrain. It is a part of forebrain. Forebrain contain olfactory lobe, cerebrum and diencephalon. The given ecological pyramid is, okay, the pyramid of energy for grassland and pyramid of biomass in lake. See, the pyramid of biomass in lake is inverted because, or sorry, it is spindle shape. It is spindle shape. It is spindle shape. It is spindle shape. So it is incorrect. And the next is pyramid of biomass for grassland and pyramid of number in tree. See, in the pyramid of number is inverted, not pyramid of number is inverted because the tree is single in number. So it is also incorrect, and it is also incorrect. And pyramid of number for C and pyramid of biomass in grassland. Okay, pyramid of number is C. Okay, and the pyramid of energy and biomass of the pond. Pyramid of energy and biomass of the pond. The pyramid of biomass is not upright because the phytoplankton form the small part of the biomass, but the small fish form the large part of biomass because that's why the biomass. Okay, the pyramid of biomass for pond is spindle shape or inverted. So we have only C which is correct. And the next is okay, which of the following is not a characteristic of R selected species? See, R selected means which are the pioneer. Okay, and they are small size adult. Yes. Long generation time. No, they have small generation time. High energy allocation to reproduction. Yes. They have very high biotic potential. Maximum reproduction, maximum population growth. Yes. So we have only B which is incorrect, and which is not correct for R selected species. Insect like cockroach and silverfish have which of the following respiratory pigment? See, it does not have any respiratory pigment because the air is carried with the trachea, so they does not have any respiratory pigment. When mutational event lead to replacement of one codon for another calling for the same amino acid, then this result in mutation known as silent mutation because they are coding for same thing. If the codon, the mutated codon codes for the same thing, then it's known as silent mutation. Okay, scum float on the surface of water because of the oxygen accumulated in it. Scum has buoyancy nature because of the presence of oxygen. Number of vertebrochondral rib in human is, see, number of vertebrochondral rib in human. See, we have 8, 9 and 10 pair of ribs which does not articulate directly with the sternum, but it articulate with the 7th rib. Okay, with the help of hyaline cartilage, that is important. Articulation cartilage, or with 7th rib, which is known as hyaline cartilage. So we have 6 bone, that is 3 pair. 6 bones means we have 3 pair. 6 bone means we have 3 pair. 6 bone means we have 3 pair. Choose the mismatched pair. Okay, limnology, study of fresh water ecosystem. Yes, it is limnology. So okay, let's okay पूरा पता होना नहीं है जरूरी, क्वेश्चन सही सॉल्व करने के लिए. Let's talk about all these options. Okay, phenology, that is the study of periodic change in plant and animal in the relation to season. Yes, yes, it is correct, it is correct. Horticology, that is the study of interaction of individual organism or species with environment. Yes, yes, it is also correct. Standing crop is the amount of inorganic matter. No, crop is the amount of organic matter. Standing crop is the living matter, the organic matter, and standing state is the inorganic matter and not the standing crop. So it is incorrect, and the required answer. Which of the following statement are function of medullary rays in the plant? Okay, medullary rays help in storage of food, it help in transmission of water and food, and the sheet of origin and interfacial cambium, the sheet of origin of interfacial cambium, the sheet of origin of interfacial cambium, and it does not help in medullary rays. It does not help in secondary growth. The secondary growth is the function of interfacial cambium and not the medullary rays. So we have only 1, 3 and 4 which is correct. 1, 3 and 4 which is correct. 1, 3 and 4 which is correct. Okay, the function of what? The function of medullary rays is storage of food, transmission of water and food, seat of origin and interfacial cambium. And the next is, so it help in storage, it help in transmission, it help in formation of interfacial cambium. Okay, the set of mesodermal structure from the following is anything that is deep in the body is endodermal, but the testes and kidney are present in the periphery region, so they are example of mesodermal. Okay, they are mesodermal. Okay, the conversion of NO3 minus to NO2, that is nitrite. Okay, nitrate converts into nitrite in cytoplasm, that is in the presence of nitrate reductase. The NO3 minus, that is nitrite, is nitrate is converted into nitrite. It is nitrite and it is nitrate, and nitrate is converted into nitrite in the presence of nitrate reductase in cytoplasm. Okay, here it is rate, RATE, and either ite. Reduction of NAD does not occur in which of the following? See, when isocytric acid forms alpha ketogenic acid, then reduction does occur. So it is not a required answer. Malic acid, oxaloacetic acid. Okay, we have to not occur. Okay, so it is correct. Pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzyme is also correct. Succinic acid, okay, when converts, it does not form NADH. It does not form NADH, and that's why it is a required answer. It is a required answer because it does not form NADH. Choose the correct statement from the following. Vidal test is the test used for detecting cholera. No. It is a test for detecting typhoid and not cholera. Restriction endonuclease is found in HIV, as HIV contains 2 molecules of single-stranded RNA, 2 molecules of reverse transcriptase, and restriction endonuclease. Okay, which of the following extra-embryonic membrane play an important role in the formation of placenta? See, placenta is formed by chorion. That's why it is known as chorionic villi. The tissue around the mother is known as chorionic villi because it helps in maintenance of embryo. That is amnion. Sorry, chorion. The given experiment set up proof of particular theory. We have to talk about the theory of origin and evolution of life. This theory is given by, it is asking that the theory is given by Oparin and Halden. The theory is given by Oparin and Halden, and the proof for this theory is given by Urey and Miller. So we have to talk about the theory which is given by Oparin and Halden. The source of renin in human kidney is the GFR, that is juxtaglomerular cell. Okay, the JG cell are the source of renin, that is RENIN मीन जो बाद में आता है उसको एक ही एन मिलता है, जो पहले आया था कौन डाइजेशन में RENIN, उसको दो एन मिल गए. The source of renin is juxtaglomerular cell. Juxtaglomerular cell is the source of renin. Read the following statement. Membrane-bound inclusion are not found in prokaryotic cell. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Ribosome are the site for protein synthesis. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Pili are the surface structure of bacteria which may play a role in motility. No. The pili does not play any role in motility. The pili help only in attachment and not with Okay, not with other. The cell membrane of prokaryote is structurally similar to cell membrane of prokaryote is structurally similar to eukaryote because cell membrane is universal. So we have 1 3 and 4 which is correct, 1 3 and 4 which is correct, 1 3 and 4 which is correct. New cellular embryo diploid. Okay, these are apoptotic diploid, and these are not these are apoptotic because the result of apomixis means the formation of seed without fertilization, and these are diploid because they develop from nucleus which is diploid. Okay, select the odd one with respect to the functional aspect of the ecosystem. See, जो होता हो और नहीं दिखता हो वो फंक्शनल है, जो होता हो और दिखता हो वो species composition है. See, decomposition does occur but it cannot be seen. Energy flow does occur but it cannot be seen. Okay, nutrient cycling cannot occur but it does not. Okay, it cannot see them. So we have only the species composition. Sorry, we have to choose. Okay, select the odd one with respect to the speciation. Sorry, with respect to the functional aspect of the ecosystem. See, decomposition, decomposition, energy flow, nutrient cycle. These are all functional, and species composition is the structural. And next is, okay, how many, which of the following has the maximum percentage of total cellular biomass? Okay, total cellular biomass. Okay, the protein has the highest percentage of total cellular biomass. It is about 10 to 15%. Okay, after water, and then after protein we have nucleic acid, which have the percentage of 5 to 7. Okay, and then is, which of the following is incorrect about the excretory system of human? About 10 million nephron are found in each kidney. No, about 1 million, not 10 million. So it is 1 million, not 10 million. So it is incorrect in the required answer. In meiosis type of cell division, the centromere divide during which stage? See, centromere divide during S phase. Okay, in meiosis type of the cell division, the centromere divide during which stage? Centromere. Okay, in meiosis centromere divided in which stage? It divides in anaphase 2. It divides in the anaphase 2. Mark the correct statement. Lenticell remain always open. Yes, the lenticell remains always open. The lenticell remain always open. So it is correct. And lenticell pore are larger than stomata. Yes, it is also correct. Lenticell transpiration is only 1% of total transpiration. It is also correct. So we have all of the following which have correct. So we have all the following which are correct. So we have all the following which are correct. Which of the following hormone is the combination? Which of the following hormone in combination with auxin? Which of the following hormone in combination with auxin stimulates cell division in plant and determine the course of differentiation mainly? Okay, it stimulates cell division. Okay, which of the following course of combination with auxin? See, we use cytokinin for shoot initiation. Cytokinin for shoot initiation. See, auxin and cytokinin are used for the growth regulation. Okay, which of the following bone are not cranial bone? Which of the following bone is not a cranial bone? See, we have how much of cranial bone? We have, see, 8 cranial bone. We have 8 cranial bone, and we have to find that which is not a cranial bone. See, means which are not a facial, which is not a cranial bone means which is facial bone. See, frontal is a cranial bone. Yes, parietal is a cranial bone. Frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal. Frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal. Okay. And then sphenoid is a cranial bone, and then ethmoid is a cranial bone, but zygomatic is not a cranial bone, it is a facial bone. Zygomatic is a facial bone. Zygomatic is a facial bone. Okay, PQRS are representing the hormone letter in the PQRS representing the hormone titer in the menstrual cycle starting from 1 day. Okay, which hormone is responsible for ovulation? Okay, LH is responsible for ovulation. The LH surge that is responsible for ovulation in the mid of the period, that is about 14 days. That is about 14 days. Okay, at the 14 days. Okay, due to what? Due to Q the ovulation occurred. That is due to LH surge ovulation occur. Which of the following statement about cyclic photophosphorylation is not correct? Cyclic photophosphorylation के लिए हमको बताना है कि correct नहीं है. Not correct. It does not involve NADP formation. Yes, it is correct. It does not involve NADP formation. Only PS1 is involved. Yes, it is also correct. It involves substrate level phosphorylation. No, no. It does not involve substrate level phosphorylation. And the next is this does not release generate oxygen. Yes. It does not release the oxygen, and it is the required answer. It is the required answer. The enzyme involved in transfer of electron are named as, okay, the enzyme that is involved in transfer of electron are known as oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase. Okay, oxidoreductase, okay, they transfer oxygen, hydrogen and electron. Biosynthetic aim at, okay, sorry, biosystematic and not biosystematic, biosystematic aim at, see, biosystematic aim at identification arrangement of organism on the basis of their cytological character, no. Okay, classification of organism based on their morphological character, no. Okay, delimiting various taxa of organism and establishing the relationship, no. Classification of organism based on the evolutionary history is important. Okay, systematics include evolutionary history as well as taxonomy, and taxonomy includes what? Taxonomy includes identification, nomenclature and classification. So this is the required answer. If in a pond there are 20 lotus, okay, plant last year, and though production 8 new plant are added, taking the current population to 28, then birth rate is C. The total birth is 8, and upon initial, that is this. So we have 4, that is 0.4. 0.4 is the birth offspring per lotus per year. Okay, and the next is what are the assumptions for, okay, what are the assumptions of, okay, Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? What are the assumptions for Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? So it's the population should be large, and random mating is possible, and random mating occur, and no selection, no migration and no mutation occurs, so that the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium remain constant, or the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium occur. In an Nagrose electrophoresis, okay, these are the lines from these lines, okay. In Nagrose electrophoresis, DNA migrate toward the negative electrode. No, DNA is negatively charged, so it migrates toward the positive electrode, so it is incorrect. And the next is supercoiled plasmid migrates slower than naked counterpart. No. Smaller fragment, the farther it's moved. Larger molecule migrate faster than smaller molecule. No, smaller molecule migrate faster than larger molecule. Ethidium bromide can be used to visualize DNA. Yes, ethidium bromide is used to visualize DNA. So this is the required answer. Which of the following is not the feature of cartilaginous fish? Okay, cartilaginous fish are also called as chondrochythes. Their bilaterally flattened bodies. No. It does not have bilaterally flattened bodies. Okay. And they have absence of operculum. Yes. They have copulatory organ present. Yes. The pelvic fin bear copulatory organ, and the ovipary means they give rise to young buns. Okay, and they does not have a bilaterally symmetrical body. They have this type of streamlined body. They have a streamlined body. So this is incorrect, and the required answer. Which of the following part of the internal ear is not linked with balancing? See, cochlea is linked with hearing and not with balancing. Cochlea is linked with hearing and not balancing. It has an organ of Corti which contain hair cell, and ampulla also contain hair cell. Cross pollination in the crop known as, okay, cross pollination in the crop is known as allogamy or genogamy. Okay, allogamy or genogamy. Some cell in the adult animal do not appear to exhibit division. Some example is heart cell, and many other cell divide only occasionally. Such cells are said to be in genoid phase. That is the quiescent phase. That is example is the heart cell. Which of the following is incorrect about plant hormone? Which of the following is incorrect about plant hormone? Okay, they influence plant growth and development at low concentration. We to find the incorrect. Yes, it is correct. Okay, abscisic acid is growth retarding hormone. No, yes, it is correct. Abscisic acid is growth retarding hormone. They are organic compound. Yes, ethylene decrease the respiration rate. No. Ethylene increase the respiration rate. Ethylene increase the, okay, it accelerates the abscission and it increase the respiration and thereby causing it to become ripened. So it is incorrect. So it is correct, or it is required answer. So we have to find out the incorrect statement, and this is required. It is incorrect and the required answer. In anaerobic glycolysis, 2 molecules of inorganic phosphate are used per molecule of glucose consumed. Which of the following enzyme catalyze the uptake of inorganic phosphate? So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, okay, catalyze the enzyme catalase. Which enzyme that catalyze the, okay, which of the following enzyme catalyze the uptake of inorganic phosphate? Okay, this enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The Km of an enzyme is nothing but the substrate concentration at which the reaction reaches half of the maximum. Okay, pathogenicity of pneumococcus in the transformation experiment carried out by Griffith is due to the polysaccharide or the polysaccharide layer or the coat. See, in this question we have tropical rainforest with maximum NPP, and then tropical deciduous forest, and then temperate deciduous forest means fourth. Okay, so we have we are in hurry, that's why it is wrong. In this statement we have, okay, how many are the following are correct? So we have to find the correct statement. Correct. Cojoint vascular bundle are not present in monocot stem, so it is incorrect. They are present in monocot stem. Caspian strip of endodermis are made of cutin. No, they are made of suberin, so it is incorrect. And pith is a large well developed in monocot root is correct. Trichome help in water loss due to transpiration. No, they prevent water loss, so it is incorrect. And only we have third option, which is the correct option. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि क्वेश्चन आज क्या किया, करेक्ट पूछा कि इनकरेक्ट पूछा. पहले गोला लगा लेना चाहिए, करेक्ट पूछा है कि इनकरेक्ट पूछा है. In this option we have to find out the correct statement. We have to find out the correct statement. Correct. And ribosome are the side of proteins is correct. It is correct. And pili are the surface structure of the bacteria. They may play an important role in motility. No. They help in encourage and not motility. So 3 is incorrect and 2 is correct. So 1, 2 and 4 is correct. 1, 2 and 4 is correct.